Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful weekend with your family. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. I'm going to start off on the weekly time frame. So each of these candles will represent 1 week on Bitcoin. You can see my main target is the top of this channel. This was the 2021 bull market tops, and that lines up. That gives us 2 points to create the third top, and in my opinion, that would be around 88,000. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy February 2023, blue buy at 22,000, and it hasn't fired a red sell yet. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell at the 48K and then just went silent since the 48K ETF announcement. Let's go on the weekly volume, still growing. Daily stochastic quite oversold. On the second to third wave, it kind of looks like a big bull flag is forming here. And you can see we're inside this channel. Each of these candles now represents 1 day. The stochastic oversold on the daily, but it can come down more. Let's go on the 4 hour. When I look at the daily, you can kind of see that it just looks like a BART pattern forming, kind of. So easily 52K is possible, hopefully not. It'll cause a lot of panic in the markets. On the 4 hourly, stochastic heading up, volume dropping off. It is Sunday. We made a higher low yesterday, which is good news. We didn't make a higher high though. This channel is coming down. We've got major support on 61K. I would take the trade from... Actually, my trade from yesterday is still good. Down off these wicks, because there's a lot of hammer candles here. But now there's a lot of other inverse kind of hammer, like the reversal hammer candles. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. 62,561 is where the trade opens. 61,926 is where the trade stop losses. Take profit 88K. Risk toward 83 times, risking $635 to make $53,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage, $532,000. Again, the gray line is where the trade opens. You can learn all of this in the Crypto Master Course in the description. Number 2, 62,561. Stop loss, 61,926. And I've got these orders already set on Bybit. Over on my Bybit, my account is $809,000. Yesterday it hit 831, then 823, and then pulled back today. In the last 7 days, up from 760 to 810, so around $50,000 last 7 days. In the last 30 days, up from 627,000 to 800, so I made like $180,000 this month. I'm holding Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, 298,000 USD, $107,000 worth of Doge, up 5%. Doge pumped yesterday. 1 Bitcoin, $61,000 of Ethereum, Pocket, MCRT, Uni, World pumped yesterday a lot. My Bitcoin trade is currently $1,100 in the profits, 4%, and my Ethereum trade $5,500. And I've got another order to execute at that to add another 0.5 Bitcoin at 62,561, which is beautiful where we set that trade. Now let's go into Ethereum. And we have to see if Bitcoin manages to hold on this support here on the 200 moving average. If it breaks it, then 56K very possible. Worst case scenario would be 52K, but hopefully it doesn't get that low because there'll be a bloodbath in the markets. It'll be quite a big panic if it drops another 15-20%. Let's go. 20% will be Ethereum 3,300. Not much movement on Ethereum. Oh, and it looks like head and shoulders forming here. Shoulder, head, shoulder on the 4 hourly. But it is coiling here. It is building pressure, but you can clearly see it's kind of a head and shoulders. That SEC announcement, Gary Gensler came out exactly as Ethereum was trying to break out. Then the SEC said they're trying to change it from a security to a security. So again, Gary Gensler destroying the markets and fucking everyone. Head and shoulder on Ethereum here. Unfortunate. Best place, safest place to go long here would be here. We have a lot of support, 3,000. This trade stop lost. I would take it from here. This is the safer trade to take. 3,051. Stop loss 2,972. There is still volume growing on Ethereum, but it does look like head and shoulders here. Let's look at the total market cap. Not good. A lot of head and shoulders forming everywhere. We need to invalidate it ASAP. Also on the total market cap. But they are kind of building symmetrical triangles now on this shoulder, but it really looks like big head and shoulders. We really need to get rid of these. Otherwise, we could have brutal bloodbath in the market. Symmetrical triangle forming here. Base of the triangle doesn't look so beautiful. None of these patterns. It's like you can see big head and shoulders here on the total market cap as well. Is it better to get out of everything is the question here, because if we have a dump here, target of this head and shoulders would take us to big support, which would be around 1.9 trillion. I mean, we have a major support here at 2.1 trillion, but that's still 200 billion nuke on the markets, which is around 10% drop. Very possible. Let's go out on the total market cap. Bull flag look on the total market cap, like longer term looks like a bull flag, and volume rising. So I'm going to stay in my trades at the moment. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video, go down below. One is the exchanges I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. 2 is the courses. Take the crypto master course, then join us in the Telegram. There's around 9,000 of you in the Telegram. There's 110 of you online right now, chatting together, talking, sharing trade alerts, sharing charts. And yeah, that's my analysis of the markets. I got to watch it more clearly just to see if we get any big pullbacks here. We really need to invalidate these head and shoulders. So today and the next 2 days, very important that we kind of launch out of here to continue this bull trend. If it does, and if the volume keeps rising, target will be actually quite big for this bull flag. If this plays out, but we really need to get a push out of this resistance. It's a big area of resistance that's kind of holding back the entire market. If we manage to get a a breakout, then the target of this bull flag on total market cap would take us to around 3.2 trillion. So huge, another $1 trillion to the market. But we really need to get a push out of here and volume to keep climbing. Thank you for watching, everyone. All the links are down below. Hit the subscribe button. Smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Thank you for watching, and follow me here and follow the socials down below. I'm going to update the video tomorrow. I'll do Tesla. If you want me to analyze anything, Doge, Bitcoin, Tesla, anything, let me know in the comment section and I'll do the most requested. Yesterday I did Doge and I bought around $50,000 of Doge. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.